Hey guys, so I wanted to quickly show you guys Sceptre. Sceptre is a really good place to find package deals for your clients. So let's check this out. All right, so you go to SceptreVacations.com and you register, and let's just jump into it. So the commission is usually pretty nice over here in Sceptre. So let's come on over here so we can create a quote, and then we can do a custom FIT. Okay. Oh, come on. All right. So let's put our client name in there. All right. So let's say MIA. All right. So let's build a quote with air. All right. So city, let's say Paris. All right. So let's say for 8 nights. Right. I want to only fly in and out of CDG. It's a searching, it's a searching, it's a searching. And so they usually have like a lot of different prepackaged deals already. So I'll show you those too. So let's say we were gonna fly on Italia Air. All right. So let's see. Right. So we don't want a car. None. Right. So they say they're offering the Province Opera Hotel. Right. So buffet. So activities. They're gonna add some tours if we want it. So let's see. Tuk-tuk bus. Let's see. Let's just select that one. Right. Let's just leave it at that one. All right, so let's hit next. And then so it's gonna we ask for transportation. So let's see. All right, so let's add transportation to the airport for the clients. All right, so let's preview this itinerary. Right. Let's go to finalize quote. This should be let's see. Right, so let's share this itinerary. So it's pretty decent commission. All right, so this is what it will look like to the client. Okay. It's pretty nice. Okay. This price can be held with a deposit of $24.96. Okay, so that's that. And then so let me show you this. So everything displays pretty nice. So I want to show you the deals that they usually have. You're gonna go to travel inspiration. right? All right, so let's see. Well, not travel inspiration. Let's go back to home. Create a quote. Let's go to pre-builds. Yeah, this is where stuff is. So let's say friends. Right, so let's see. I'm pretty sure they have a lot of them. Okay, so look at this. How many days is this? This is for 3 nights. 3 nights, I guess. Okay, look at this. This looks good. Budget-friendly Paris and London. And so this also comes with the flight. So 6 nights from that's from March. So let's see. Let's call it September. And so this is the full itinerary here. Check availability. All right, so 12% commission. Let's see, 2101. Let's go for this one, 1840. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, so let's say continue. All right, let's say 2 adults. All right, so total price 3680, commission 441 and some change. All right, so 3 nights, Hotel Pastel, then Phoenix Hotel. So let's see. So this is Paris and London. And so they even have the Eurostar pass. So they're putting together a full package. Right, you can even add travel protection for your client. Right, so look at that commission. It's starting to look pretty good. Let's go to finalize quote. All right. This is the full quote. Looks super professional. Okay. You don't have to write any verbiage. It already has the verbiage. It has everything, okay? And so the deposit is $25.1764. So I believe that it's probably making the client pay for the flights up front because that deposit is, it's a little up there. Let's see. But let's explore the site some more. So they have a lot of different things for agents over here. All right, so they got agent tools, marketing. Let's see. Go to tools. Okay. Oh, look, they have an intake form. All right, so travel inspiration, honeymoons. Let's see, you can save your quotes. All right, group travel. Okay, so that is Sceptre. I do like Sceptre. The commissions, it's good. But I still always recommend checking a few different travel suppliers before you choose. So, if I came over here to Sceptre and I found a really good deal, I will check it with at least 2 other travel suppliers to ensure that, one, it's a really good deal, and then 2, that, the commissions are amazing as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions about Sceptre, hey, shoot me a message or put something in the comments and I'll answer them for you. So until the next video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.